Hello, friends. I am going to talk about G.V. Shah and his works today. Once, G.V. Shah says, life is not about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. George Bernard Shaw was born in 1856 and he died in 1950. George Bernard Shaw lived for 94 years. Once he said, I never learnt anything in a school. G.V. Shah got education at home. He was made of himself. He was the youngest son of three children. His father was a very poor man. His mother was a musician. George Bernard Shaw himself says that he learnt more from his mother than from his father. G.V. Shah had more influence of his mother than that of his father. His father was a drinker. Due to his poverty, G.V. Shah gets a job of a clerk when he is a child. He has spent time in British Museum where he practiced writing and reading. He joined politics. He joined Labour Party. Then he formed Fabian Society, which developed socialism in England. At one place, G.V. Shah said, progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their mind cannot change anything in the world. George Bernard Shaw was a versatile genius. He wrote novel unsuccessfully. Publishers could not accept his novel. They rejected his novel. Then George Bernard Shaw wrote music which he had learned from his mother. George Bernard Shaw became a playwright, essayist, art critic, and a great philosopher. He learnt a lot from Ibsen. Another author, a great author, who wrote plays about problems and ideas. George Bernard Shaw wrote more than 60 plays. His plays are different from William Shakespeare. George Bernard Shaw happens only second to William Shakespeare as a playwright of England. Among his important plays are Pygmalion, which appeared in 1912, Man and Superman, 1903, Arms and the Man, 1984. 1994. The Doctor's Dilemma, 1906. St. John, 1923. Heartbreak House, 1921. Widower's Houses, 1892. Candida, which is a very important play of Jibisa, appeared in 1894. The Man of Destiny appeared in 1897. The Dark Lady of the Sonnets in 1910. Getting Married, 1908. Too True to Be Good, 1932. And Praise Cuttings, 1907. To conclude, George Bernard Shaw was a great playwright of England. He had wide experience. He read many authors. He established himself as a great playwright of the world. His plays are different from that of Shakespeare. His plays are problems plays, or his plays are said to be plays of ideas. Each play deals with a different problem that matters much in society. Pygmalion is a play that deals with education. It correctness in a speech in English. He invented phonetics for pronunciation, correct pronunciation of English. Arms and the Man is a play about war and fighting. Brunsley is the hero of the play and Rena is the heroine. In this play, George Bernard Shaw does not glorify war and fighting, just contrary to the convention. St. John is another important play in which he glorifies the sacrifice, the deeds, the actions of St. John. Widower's Houses deals with the problems of prostitution in England. Candida is a supreme play that talks about Candida, how Candida loves Marchant. When Marchbank and Morel bid for her love, Candida sides with Morel because he is weaker than using Marchbank. Man and Superman is another important play in which he talks about life force. He says in the play that a woman has life force. She brings up Superman from man. Thus, George Bernard Shaw is a great playwright of the 20th century. I shall talk about Pygmalion in my next class, the summary of Pygmalion in the next class. Watch my video. Lastly, I would like to quote one thing. At one place, George Bernard Shaw said, "Beware of false knowledge. It is more dangerous than ignorance." Thanks for watching.